Nowadays, one of the biggest challenges in education platform is the long and confusing learning path. It often's time-consuming and hard to follow. That's where PyLand comes in. It builds your course step by step, personalized to your level, your pace, and your goals. PyLand guides you like a personal mentor. So, now let's see how PyLand works. Here, your learning path begins with just one prompt. PyLand creates a personalized course based on what you type here. For example, imagine you want to build a simple calculator using Python. So, just type it here. PyLand offers three types of courses: simple, short, and complete. At this step, you can click Next to view all the course details, step by step. And when you're ready, hit Generate to launch your custom course. Just heads up, creating a course costs 1 gem, so use them wisely. After generating course, you can find it in the dashboard. In dashboard, you can view all courses you've created in PyLand. Let's open the latest one. To start studying, just click the book icon. In this page, you can see all lessons content. In here, you can click on each lesson and ask interactive question. For instance, you can ask, what is practical application of this code? It is like having a mentor right beside you, ready to help you anytime, anywhere. Now, it's time to talk about quizzes. Tap the orange button to generate a quiz. Once it's ready, it turns blue, and you are good to go. Each course includes 3 quizzes. When you start the quiz, the timer begins. You will see code snippet and decide if they follow the lesson logic or not. Tap green if it's correct. Tap red if it's not. Just keep in mind, your score also depends on how fast you answer. Let's move to the explanation exam. Click the orange button to generate it. Your score in here will range from 1 to 10, but it's not just about right or wrong answers. This exam measures how well you explain each line of the code. Focus on logic, but clear and precise. Score above 5, that's great. It boosts your skill IQ. At the end of each lesson set, tap the orange button to check your skill IQ. It ranges from 1 to 100. And you can see more visualization about this lesson set in this dashboard. And now let's talk about Insight panel. In here you can find everything to monitor your studying progress. Here where you get full learning breakdown, total courses you've created and completed, and other details. For instance, in explanation score section, the green dots shows your highest score. Also, you can find the dial chart. In here, it shows the average score at a glance. In the quiz timing section, green dots highlights your fastest response time. This section shows the topics you struggle with most, also what you are so good in it. You can review them, pick what you want to improve, and generate a personalized course using a simple prompt. You can make it even more personal with your own instructions. In this section, you can compare your performance across all levels. See your quiz accuracy by percentage and how your average score compares across each level. Next, the time tracker shows when you were most active, how much time you spent learning, and how your sessions are spread out over the time. It is a smart way to understand your learning habits and stay on track. And now it's a time to train your brain with mini games. Before you start, make sure you read the instruction carefully. First, try speed game. You will need to memorize images and spot the difference in the next set. Then, move on to the code puzzle. These puzzles are based on the code you've learned in your lessons. They come here in the 3 levels depending on the lead and difficulty. Start with easy to warm up. Now drag and drop the lines of the code into the correct order. Each correct line gets a green check mark. And that's it. This was full tour of PyLand platform. You can also share your referral code with your friends to bring them here. Let's build something powerful together.